everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to Dojo Go. In this lesson today, we're going to do a dragon-themed martial arts lesson. Now, before we get started, I want to show you guys something pretty awesome. Come down here, let's see. So here's what we got here today. We've got a dragon egg. Now this dragon egg, by the time the lesson's over, it should be ready to hatch. I don't know what's inside, so make sure you guys stick with the very end of the video, so that way, when you guys see the dragon egg hatch, we know what's inside, okay? So for now, it's going to be in the bottom right screen here, and every once in a while, you're going to see it crack and tick. And every once in a while, maybe, who knows, it's going to open at some point. So make sure you guys stick with the whole video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell so you guys know if you're the winner of our next giveaway, okay? I have a face here. Chariye? Kanye? Awesome. All right, we're going to start with the jump, with the warm-up. This time, you guys repeat after me. I'm going to say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start swinging our arms. Ready? I'm going to say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good. Awesome. Let's go in and out this time. I'm going to say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, let's stretch out our legs this time. Feet together, reaching down for your toes. I'm going to say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Very good warm-up. All right, Chariye. Good. Kanye. Awesome. All right, here's what we're going to practice today. When I say fighting stance, 1 foot back, both hands up. Let's see if you guys can be faster than me. Ready? Fighting stance. Awesome. Good, you guys. All right, here's what we're going to practice. Let's go ahead and turn ourselves this way. Okay, now we're going to be practicing an upjin and hujin. Okay, so when I say upjin, we're going to come forward. When I say hujin, we're going to come back. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, let's do it together. Ready? Everyone say upjin. Good. Hujin. Good job. Upjin. Good. Hujin. Good. Upjin. Hujin. Good. One more. Upjin. Good. Hujin. Good job, you guys. Let's switch our feet now. Switch. Awesome. All right, going on the other side now. Keep your hands in the face. Make sure your body's turned sideways. Ready? Everyone go upjin. Good. Hujin. Good. Upjin. Good. Hujin. Good. Upjin. Good. Hujin. 2 more times. Upjin. And hujin. Awesome. Good work. You guys have 5? Awesome. Very good job. Okay, now here's the next thing we're going to do. We're going to be practicing some strikes throwing upjins and hujins. So we're going to start right here. We're going to go upjin into a jab cross. So we're going to go upjin, jab cross. Then we're going to go hujin, left leg front kick, right leg round kick. Okay, so let's try it together. Hands up like this. Ready? Everyone together. Go upjin, jab, cross, hujin, front kick, round kick. Awesome. Good. All right, I'll do it this way for you guys. Ready? Everyone go upjin, towards the screen, jab, cross, now hujin, left leg front kick, right leg round kick. Awesome. Good. And when you're rounding, make sure your knees sideways like this. Okay? Awesome. Let's do that together again. Ready? Hands up here, and I'm gonna go upjin, jab, cross, hujin, front kick, round kick. Nice, very good job, you guys. Have 5. Awesome, awesome. Oh, looks like the egg is starting to hatch a little bit. It's cracking a little bit. Maybe later it's gonna hatch. Oh, you guys hear a sound? I hear a dragon. Whoa! Uh-oh, you guys. There's a dragon flying above us. Okay, here's what we gotta do. When the dragon is shooting fire down at us, we gotta hujin and upjin out of the way so we don't get burned. You guys do that with me? Awesome. Now today, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do some lateral movements. Hands up like this. All right, let's start bouncing on your feet. All right, now, when the dragon starts blowing fire at us this way, we got to make sure we keep skipping this way. When it comes on this side, we got to go hujin or upjin this way. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, have the 5 stance. All right, ready, and ready to go. Good, and go. Good job, you guys. Go. Good, go. Ready to go. Good. Awesome. Ready to go. Good. Go. Good. Good work. Go. Good. Almost done. Go. Good. One more. Go. Nice. Good work, everybody. Have 5s. Awesome. Awesome. All right. Now we're gonna do some exercises next. Now for these exercises, we're gonna do 3 different kinds. We're gonna practice, okay, something called inchworms. Okay, we're gonna do inchworms. Then we're going to do Russian twists, and then we're gonna do jumping jacks. So I'll show you what the inchworms look like. So here's what we're going to do. Go ahead and get down on your hands and feet like this. Okay, you're gonna walk your hands all the way out, and then walk them all the way back. Stand up. Again, walking all the way out, all the way back, stand up, okay? We're gonna do that for 30 seconds. Then the next one's Russian twists. So that means you're gonna sit down just like this, picking your feet up, you're gonna twist one side to the other for 30 seconds, okay? And the last one, you've done it before, jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Just like that, does that make sense? So each exercise, 30 seconds each, you'll get 15-second rest, and we'll do that another 2 times. So we're gonna do everything twice. So 30 seconds of each exercise, inchworms, Russian twists, jumping jacks, 30 seconds each, 15-second rest, 2 times in a row, okay? Awesome, you guys ready to get started? All right, go ahead and get started. Here's what we're going to do. Go ahead and get down on your hands and feet like this. Okay, you're gonna walk your hands all the way out, and then walk them all the way back, stand up. Again, walking all the way out, all the way back, stand up, okay? We're gonna do that for 30 seconds. Again, walking all the way out, all the way back, stand up, okay? Then the next one's Russian twists. Then the next one's Russian twists. So that means you're gonna sit down just like this, picking your feet up, you're gonna twist one side to the other for 30 seconds, okay? Picking your feet up, you're gonna twist one side to the other. And the last one, you've done it before, jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Awesome, very good job, you guys. Now it looks like Dojo has a new story for us today. Come here, Dojo. Awesome, all right, let's see what's inside.
A lesson in patience. Debbie was a young girl who enjoyed gardening with her grandparents. They had all sorts of colorful vegetables in their backyard, including squash, celery, tomatoes, carrots, and more. Debbie's job every morning was to water the roots before she would go to school. Some vegetables would take longer than others to grow, especially the asparagus, which would take a month to grow. However, Debbie understood that growing vegetables takes time, so she was patient. That was until she had a dilemma. Dilemma is a word that means problem. One day, Debbie tried to put on her shoes. She had bright pink unicorn shoes that would attach easily with a strap. However, her feet didn't fit in the shoes. No matter how hard she tried, she just couldn't put her foot in. When her grandfather saw this, he took her to the store to buy a bigger size of shoes. Unfortunately, Debbie was too big to wear the shoes with the straps, so she had to wear shoes with shoelaces. As Debbie's grandfather showed her how to tie her shoes, Debbie was getting frustrated. She would try over and over and just didn't seem to get it. Debbie was upset. She felt like she would never be able to tie her shoes. Debbie's grandfather said to her, "Debbie, I understand that you are upset. You feel like this is hard to do, right?" Debbie nodded. "You're right," her grandfather said. "It's not going to be easy. Do you remember how long it takes for our vegetables to grow?" Debbie slowly nodded and said, "Yes, but why does that matter?" Debbie's grandfather said, The way we grow our vegetables is like how we look at life. Sometimes it's the small changes that add up to something bigger. Do you remember the time you forgot to water the plants for a few days and your grandmother and I had to talk to you about it? Debbie nodded. You see, tying your shoes is like watering the plants. You keep trying it every day, then at some point you will have a beautiful vegetable. Practice tying your shoes. Don't expect to be perfect. Just try to be better than the last time you tried. Debbie started to realize something important. She realized that she wasn't going to understand how to tie her shoes the first time, but that it would take many times over and over, and eventually she will learn how to do it right.
Awesome, that was a really great story, you guys. Now, looks like the egg is about to hatch. So, it's going to hatch in about 5 seconds. So we're going to count to 5 in Korean. I want you guys to repeat nice and loud after me. Everyone say, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Oh, it's a baby dragon. Should we hold it? Okay, let's see. Alright. Well, congratulations, you guys. We got ourselves a baby dragon. Now, I think there's something in this dragon's mouth. Oh, he has the giveaway winner today. Let's see if he breathes it out. Alright, ready? Okay, well, if that's your name, you're the subscriber winner today. So parents, if this is your child or if this is you, please send me a message on my About Page section of the channel. You guys have won yourselves some training mats. So some training mats you can use at home. Okay, so congratulations. 7 days here, Chariet. Awesome. Alright, see you guys later. Goodbye.